Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly insight on mass model generator. So like before going into the topic, I would just like to introduce ourselves. Capricorn Technology is the Win0 company and we are having a legacy of over 3 decades. And now we have become a partner of choice for the AEC industry. We are one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley, along with Authorized Training Center. Today, with over 10 offices across India, and 300 plus inspired team members, we are serving over 20,000 customers in the building infrastructure, manufacturing, along with a large number of other industries as well. So, in today's Inside, we'll learn about Mass Model Generator. Basically, it's a new feature that has been introduced in Connect Edition in version 22, update 9. In previous versions like in version 21 or update 8, you won't find this new feature, so please update your Connect Edition versions to in order to use and have full capabilities and features of the new versions. So let's see what mass model generator is. So basically mass model generator is a tool to generate the seismic masses, either a reference load case or like load case type mass can be created or loads can be added under the first dynamic load cases automatically to enable the software to calculate the seismic mass from those loads. Basically, it automatically converts or loads into the masses in order to calculate the seismic mass. Like to cut short the tedious process, it's a simple method to generate the what we say joint weight methods. So just allow me a moment to share my screen. So I'll be using this model today for demonstration purposes. So in loading, as you can see, I have already created seismic load definition and have used Indian code 1893-2016. I have already specified the parameters, and in load case details, I have already created like earthquake and X direction, walls, load, basically dead load and live load. As you can see, dead loads and live loads had been assigned to the structure and with all the design criterias as well. But the thing is, now how it will calculate, I was just showing all the design criteria has been assigned. So now I was saying, for the earthquake purposes, like how it will calculate the seismic weights or the joint weights, like as we know for the static analysis or dynamic analysis, we used to provide pin joints at beam and column junction, and then we used to calculate the seismic weight by going to the post-processing process and copying all the reactions in the Excel table, and then copying the Excel table results in the command file. All those tedious process has now been reduced by using this mass model generator. You will find this option in the loading ribbon tab, mass model generator. Click on this. As soon as you will click on this, mass model box will be appeared. So in generate mass, there will be two options available to you. First is new reference load case, and second is add into first dynamic load case. So if you will use new reference load case to create the masses, it will be used in for the both. Like you can use this for the both, like for the dynamic analysis also and for the static analysis also. But if you will use dynamic load cases, it will be only used in the dynamic analysis. For the static analysis, you have to create separate load cases. So it will automatically detect the load primary, it will automatically detect the load cases that has to be considered for the mass load considerations. So by using this, what it will do is it will automatically convert our load cases into the weights. So you have, as you can see, all the dead loads and live loads had been selected. And if you want to change any of the factors, like as per the clause, if the live load is greater than or equal to less than or equal to 3, then you can use 0.25. If greater than 3, then you have to use 0.5 of the factor. Like this is just for demonstration. Like if you want to use only 0.25 of 0.25 live load that you want to count, like so you can first shift this live load to the left hand side by using this arrow. Now just click on this. From here you change the parameter or the factor. Click on this arrow, move it to the right hand side. See, now factor has been changed. I will again shift it to the left hand side because I want to use 0.5 shift, and I'll just click on generate. You'll notice all our load cases, all the loads under the load cases have been converted into mass. I'll click on generate. As you can see, all the loads has been converted into mass under reference smart model. It has used reference load definitions, and these cases can be used as in static also and as well as in dynamic analysis. Like if I may show you, if I'll click on the dead loads, you can see 6 I have applied, and it has converted like in the X, Y, Z direction that we used to do, right? We have to calculate in all the X and Y and Z directions. So this is how you can use mass model generator to reduce your tedious process, and by just clicking on mass model, model generator, all your things can be done easily. I hope you guys had an insightful session. Do subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel. We would be delighted to hear from you. Do reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Thank you.